र आजदेखि कालिम्पोङ डिस्ट्रिक्ट टेबल टेनिस एसोसिएसनको एजेसमा 16th र 17th 18th र 19th सेप्टेम्बर 2021 मा सर्वप्रथम पहिलोपल्ट कालिम्पोङ डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टेट र्याङ्किङ टेबल टेनिस च्याम्पियनशिपको सुरुवात भइरहेछ। यो च्याम्पियनशिप दुई चरणमा खेलिँदैछ। 16 र 17 तारिक गर्ल्स अनि वुमेन्स क्याटेगोरीको ओपन सिङ्गल्स च्याम्पियनशिप्स खेलिँदैछ भने 18 र 19 तारिक बोइज अनि मेन्स क्याटेगोरीको डिफ्रेन्ट इभेन्ट्सहरूको खेला हुनेछ।
Stage was set, the boards were ready, the fences in place, and Kalimpong District Table Tennis Association were ready to play host to the best players from North Bengal. Under the able guidance and expertise of Bengal State Table Tennis Association and under the auspices of the parent body Table Tennis Federation of India, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our mentors, Mr. Subrato Roy and Mrs. Mantu Ghosh, without whose unwavering support and unconditional guidance, this tournament wouldn't have seen the light of the day. The event to put Kalimpong on the table tennis map of India finally came into fruition on 16th September 2021. Kalimpong District State Ranking Tournament 2021, the grand event spanned over 4 days, brought ashore the brightest and brilliant talents of North Bengal to Kalimpong to showcase their skills and wow the spectators. There were 6 categories where both girls and boys participated were Hope under 11, Cadet under 13, Sub-Junior under 15, Junior under 17, Junior under 19, and Senior Women's and Men's. The event was ably administered by the Chief Umpire, Mrs. Arina Nath, flanked by the Assistant Umpires, Mrs. Pushpa De, Ms. Pauli Shaha, Ms. Anamika Burman, and KDTTA's very own Ashwan Thapa. The opening day commenced with the girls' categories, and Mr. N.R. Pradhan graced the occasion with his presence. Kalimpong's representatives in the categories were Preeti Lepcha, Lenzoms Sherpa, Olive Simic Lepcha, Prinata Mukhya. The result notwithstanding, it was an excellent platform to hone their skills, and rubbing shoulders with the best have their own merits. A bespectacled, rather unassuming 10 years old who goes by the name of Miss Pratiti Paul lit up the stage with her awe-inspiring gameplay which belied her age, and she was rightly adjudged by the best women's player for the tournament. The award being sponsored by Ashwan Pradhan in loving memory of Shubhankar Paul, who was a mentor and a well-wisher of Kalimpong District Table Tennis Association. After their female counterparts had wowed one and all with their exemplary skills, it was the turn of the boys' men events. Would they live up to the billing and early maker laid on by the events of the first 2 days? We are about to find out. The boys' contingent from Kalimpong were Yakub Tamang, Vinit Pradhan, Gayas Azer Sompu, Ruben Lepcha, Subham Pradhan, Elias Lama, Sobel Simik Lepcha, Vikrant Pradhan, and Aditya Pradhan. It is safe to say that they put in a respectable show, and it was a big learning curve. North Bengal's finest, Mr. Akash Nath, saw, came, and conquered the event, as well as the fascination of the limited viewers on attendance. He was simply put indomitable. As the event drew to a close, the games dwindled to the result. The Kalimpong District Table Tennis Association, what we believe have sown the seeds of table tennis in Kalimpong. This event only went on to reaffirm our objective of promoting the brightest talents of the region. We hope and pray the generations hence will one day reap what we have sown and flourish for generations.